Hi, welcome back to our channel. We are Lindsay and Tyler. This week's video, we are going to be working on a desk that we got for free. We got this piece from a Facebook marketplace group. Last week, we actually went over an entire video of how we always are able to find free pieces of furniture. So if you haven't watched that, I would suggest you watch that after this video, because this is one of the many ways that we're always able to find really amazing pieces for free.
From the pictures of the desk, we could tell that it was mid-century by the legs and the drawer style, so we were intrigued immediately and we decided to go pick it up. It's got a little paint on it, but I think we're both excited to try and restore it to its former glory, so here we go.
We brought the piece outside. It's actually kind of cute. You can tell that the previous owner really tried to make it cute. Unfortunately, we are gonna probably have to redo it because there are scratches and just chips kind of throughout. So we are going to need to put a little bit of work into this. We looked at the top and you can definitely tell that this is actually particle board, and it's not going to be worth removing the paint on it because it's not real wood underneath. However, this is mid-century, so we still want to have at least some wood elements involved in this piece. So we're going to start by removing the drawers. We're going to do our best to bring back the drawers and hopefully this base to the original wood color and go from there. For this project, we are going to be using our go-to paint stripper, Citrus Strip. This stuff works wonders, and we're going to apply it to the drawers and the entire base. Here we go.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
Alright, I just applied it everywhere with this product. You definitely want to goop it on. The more the better. This is a chalk paint that we're removing, so I'm hoping that this shouldn't be too involved. So we're going to set a timer for 30 minutes and then check back and see if the paint will start coming off. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. That's coming off like nothing. Look at that wood.
We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there.
We ended up using a steel wool pad to remove the excess chalk paint, and then we did notice on these drawers that they had some extra discoloration, so we did a light sand to get it all nice and even.
We've got our trusty restore finish once again. We're about to apply that to the drawer fronts to bring out the natural wood color underneath. It's going to tie into the legs and the rest of the exposed wood on this piece to tie it all together. Oh, that is instantly beautiful. It's always so satisfying applying this stuff.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line. And the
It is the next morning. Yesterday, as you can see, we made amazing progress on exposing these beautiful wood mid-century legs. I am obsessed. I don't really know why they were painted because they are in great condition. One tip I can give to you is you can actually take a chip of this paint, only about this big, and you can bring it to Lowe's or Home Depot and they can color match it. So that would be a great option if you don't already have paint, so that way you can only do touch up and not have to work as hard. However, that still costs money, and we had this leftover chalk paint sitting around our house, so for me this is basically free. When it comes to reselling furniture, you can definitely do some fun colors. However, you can't go wrong with a beautiful matte black, so that's what we're going to do today. We've got this black chalk paint that we're going to go ahead and do a couple coats on, and I think it's going to look really nice with the wood accents that we have now exposed.
To the sound. If I could give you more than half an ear, if I could give you more than half an ear. I hit the brakes.
We put 2 coats of the chalk paint on, and as you can see, we moved this inside. It was getting very windy out, and I wanted to make sure there's no debris flying on the top of this because we're going to do our final step, which is to do our top coat. This is our favorite product. It's General Finishes. It's a flat top coat, which is nice because I really like a matte finish. So we're going to go ahead and apply it with a foam roller and at least do 2 coats.
out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone, we're so far from home. Free, but ready to please.
Alright, check out the final result. I am very happy with this. It was initially just completely covered in paint, but we exposed the wood legs and the drawer fronts, showing off the beautiful veneer underneath, which we're hoping should translate into a much higher resale value. So all that's left to do is now to take some pictures, put it on Facebook Marketplace, and sell it here locally. And yeah, it was great to get back to furniture this week. We've done a little DIYs lately, but we're always excited to do furniture, and we've got our piece next week already sourced. So like and subscribe so you can see how next week's project turns out.